Hello guys, welcome to this channel. My name is Siddharth and in this channel I'll be doing drawing tutorials, origami tutorials and much more. Today we'll be drawing Starfire from Teen Titans Go. So let's get right into it. For this tutorial you will need a pencil, a eraser and maybe a sharpener and different types of black pens. Let's get into it. Somewhat, up, just draw a circle. Draw these lines lightly, okay? You might have to erase most of them. So you got that. Now let's start shaping the head. Okay, find a point here. Find a point here and here. Okay. Two diagonal lines. Okay. So just a second, I'll just focus on it. Okay, so yep. Then till here. Okay, so just don't do too many lines and that's good enough. Now just it's kind of like a hexagon. Okay, so curve these points but keep this point sharp. Just these points, curve it. Keep these 2 points sharp. Okay, so that's good. Completed there. Okay, 1 second. I'll just take a second. Yep. So I got a nice round head. Not exactly round. Alright, so the picture that I'm using, there's not a head, so a neck, so let's go to the body. Draw, like a kind of C, but not exactly a C. Okay, so that's good. Now a C, a regular C, and then just a C and then connect here. So that's good. And then, yeah, that's good. Yeah, and then just draw the center line. It goes over here. Okay, and then draw a chest line. Okay, and then the belt, it comes over here. Okay, now let's go with the hands. Draw a very, very small circle right here, just below the chin. Okay, so, alright, so now from there to one line here, slightly, increasing in size. Okay, let that be light. Just a bit here, tiny gap, like half a centimeter from the body. Draw 2 diagonal lines like this and complete it with a circle. Yeah. Okay, so now draw a square and then a triangle here. Alright, so that's good. Now to keep things simple, I'm just going to erase inside here, erase these 2 lines. So let's keep going. So now you got the bottom line. Just draw the land line. Okay, one small line here, one small line here. Okay, and then find the knee. One curved line. Okay, and then another curved line over here till here. And then like this, just another curved line. Okay, so and then find a point here, a V. Okay, so that's good. Now another leg. So the arms covering the leg, sort of. Just do that. Find the point. This leg goes like that and comes down like this. Okay, so that's good. Just erasing unwanted details. Yeah. And now we're gonna do the V that's here. It's more steeper this side. Okay, that's good. Let's keep going. Before we go to the face, let's do the hand. Okay, so now just draw a line, 2 diagonal lines that extend outwards. Again diagonal lines, and like that. So you got this octagonal shape, I guess. Right, now draw a oval. Now just shade one part like this. So that's for giving the depth. And then 2 lines coming out and then going up. Okay, so that's like the gauntlet she has, like this, like that, and you're just gonna keep it like that. So alright, that's good. Right, so for the hand there's not that much detail, so just draw a straight line. Okay, and here let's erase the ball that we did for the knee, and then just 2 lines that indicates the boots case, and then keep going down, keep going down, keep going down. Yep. Oh, there's not that much to the leg, so same here. You can see only one line here, you cannot see the other line, so going there, do that, just do that, so do that and do that. So we got that. Now let's go over here, extend it a bit out, right? So then she has some kind of neck armor over here, just do that. Okay, so that's good, and draw a circle in that and give it depth. Yeah, that's not that much, just draw 2 lines there, and then like this, okay, and then like this, and the armor goes behind the neck, so that's all there. Connect this one like an arrow, that's how it is. Yep, so that's good. Then, sorry, I did it wrong a bit. Okay, just I'm gonna erase that part, bring it a bit more down. Okay, so that's good. Now for the belt, just draw a semicircle here because the hand's covering a bit of it, increasing. Okay, cover that, give it a bit depth, of course, like that, and yeah, that's good. Okay, so that's good. So you got the body, maybe, yeah, you got the body. Just erase unwanted lines. Right, so well, now let's go to the head. So you have to make this, look like Starfire. So to do that, just increase the head size. So main thing that occur in the Teen Titans the characters that appear in Teen Titans, their heads are very big, but their bodies are small. It's like caricature. Just increase that, like that. Okay, so just increase the size a bit, reduce the number of lines that you have. Okay, so let's keep going. Round shape. Now let's figure out the ears, but before that let's figure out the eyes. They come sort of here, yeah, and then just above it an ear, and alright, so let's get right into the eyes. Draw the center line, so we got that. It's kind of symmetrical on both sides, so let's get into it. Okay, so yeah, line going up, a small line coming down, small line going up, a more steeper angle, and like that. So it's kind of like a Spider-Man's eye, but with more segments and points. Okay, that's good. Just a small line, long line. It's difficult not rotating the paper, but still it's okay. Okay, that's good. Then just a small line over there. Just connect that. Alright, so it doesn't look like Starfire, that's because of the hair, the mouth, other things. So it might look weird now, but that's okay. Let's just keep going. Okay, so that's good. Just underline this part, just this part. Yeah. Just erase unwanted lines. Yeah, that's good. Okay, now just a small eyebrow. This a bit, yeah, like this and like this. I guess so. Yep. Might look weird now, but that's okay. Okay, so there we go. Before doing the eyeballs, just do the nose and mouth like this, and just a small line like this. Okay, so I did it too much, I guess. That's good. Yep. Now for the eyeball. Okay, that's good, and that's good. Now draw a circle over there, another line and shade it in, another line and shade it in. Yep, so you got that. Good. And now she's a girl, so just give her some big eyelashes. Good. Right, now for the eyebrows, there's some hair over there, I guess. I don't know what they are. I think these are the eyelashes and those are the eyebrows. Anyway, so now let's do the hair. You see that we have not yet done the other hand, so before doing that we need the hair. So before completing this, just draw a slight line. Okay, so we got there, and before that also just darken those lines. Alright, that's good. And now this side, just one line there, one line here, like that, like that. Yep, that's good. Just do it good. So that's good. Now let's do the hand, just going directly in, without any anatomy. Draw a slight circle there and draw the depth, just like that, just like that. Yep. And now for the hands, it's one of the, like it's pretty difficult to teach, so just follow how I'm doing it. Do that. 1, 2, 3. Yep. So she has her hands somewhat like this, but no need that. Just keep it normal. Keep it normally. I figured out I have extended it too much. Just do it. Okay, that's good. Now let's time for the head. 2 lines like this. Okay, that's for the hair actually. Like this, coming in, slightly going up, much, and then do a V over here. Okay, so you got that V, and now just follow that curve, but a little bit like this. Okay, so that's the hair. Just kidding. Small hair. Just draw like this slightly. Follow this here. Follow this here. So we're almost finished, you guys. Do that now. Her hair is like a cape, I guess. Don't elongate it. Just keep it easy. And draw a line over there. Okay, so that's good. Just bring it till there. Okay, so just going to finish it. Got a flash, Okay, let's keep going. I know it's taking a lot of time, so that's good. Okay, so I guess there you go, you guys. So we are done with our Starfire. Okay, so if you like this video, please hit the subscribe button and share this video, as it will encourage me to do more and more cool stuff for you guys. Thank you for watching, and by the way, just erase the central lines and unneeded lines. So thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video.